are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. Okay, Jessica here. I always forget to say that. I guess it's probably a good idea to tell y'all my name. I will try to remember that. Now, bear with me. I am still getting the gist of using this green screen. I'm having a lot of fun playing with the different backgrounds, but it is still a learning process, trying to get rid of like all the extra green here. Like, it gets fuzzy green sometimes. So anyway, bear with me. Still playing and deciding if I'm going to keep using it or switch back to my regular backgrounds. Now, I got the first of my 2 June Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bags. So I'm super happy to dive into this and see what I got. But either way, I do get 2 of these. I have 2 different profiles. My regular glam bag, I unbox or unbag those together and see how the different profiles work and if they work. I know some people, profiles work pretty good for them. Other people, not so much. Now, if you are not familiar, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products, and you get to now choose 3 out of those 5 products, which I do really, really enjoy. And I did recently post, well, actually it was last week I found out, but they did release the August Curator for the Ipsy Glam Bag X, and it's Halsey. And if you don't know, she's a singer. She also has a makeup line she started, and she's very talented. So it'll be interesting to see. There is a few of the products released already that we could get in our Glam Bag X, but more to come. And I will keep an eye out for those and put a video up as soon as I find new spoilers. Let's dive into this glam bag. And I don't know when I'll be getting my next one. Hopefully it's soon. Now, the bags this month do not look like this. They look like those. So obviously, one side has got the cute little pattern on it, and the other side is plain, which is fine. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of this month's design. It is cute. I do like the rainbow stuff on it for Pride Month. I think that's really, really cute. Here is the card for the month, and it is, the theme is Do You. So that's really cute. And on the inside of the card is, okay, it says the Bold Beauty Challenge. I don't know, that's kind of cute. We do not get a list of products inside our Glam Bag Plus. They haven't done that for a while. So I got the SL Miss Glam Brushes. And I think I got these in both of my Plus bags. I wanted one for myself and one to give back to you guys. This is the rainbow brush set. Originally, when I saw these in the pictures and stuff, I was like, I don't see rainbow in this. But now that I have the brushes, I do see the rainbow sparkles in the handles, which I think is really cute. And these actually feel really nice. They're super soft, and the density seems really good. So I do think I am really gonna like these. Some of the prices on the items in this bag are like out there. So this SL Miss Glam brush set retails for $60. Yeah. But, I don't know, they feel really good. So, I'm happy to try them. The next thing I got in my Glam Bag Plus is from Feel Beauty. And this is what it looks like. This is a lip treatment, I believe. Yep, it's got castor seed oil, sunflower wax, and it's a vitamin E lip balm. And it retails for $24. I do really enjoy getting lip balms. I use them so often. I end up going through them really quickly. So I know some people aren't a fan of getting lip balms in their bags or boxes. I don't blame you. Now, the next thing I got is from Item Beauty, and it's the One Hit Triple Action Setting Mist. It retails for $18. This is what the packaging looks like. It's got aloe and tiger grass extracts. I can't open this. Lavender and rose water in it, and then sodium hyaluronate for hydration. Okay, that's pretty cool packaging. It's a good size. Okay, I do want to check one thing. Okay, so the very first ingredient in this is water, which is fine, but the second ingredient is alcohol. So this may not be something I use, just because anything with alcohol in it really is not good in any way for your skin. Okay, and I did tell you this retails for $18. Now, the next thing I got is from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the Cool as a Cucumber Primer. It's a cucumber infused primer, obviously, and it cools, soothes, and hydrates. This retails for $20, so for a primer, that's actually a really good price, especially from a brand like Ofra. Here is the packaging. It looks cool. I will say, I've heard there's some drama going around right now about Ofra Cosmetics. But I have seen just a couple of things about several different influencers and stuff like that pulling out of deals or collabs and stuff they've got with them. I don't know. I guess I should probably look into it further. I really don't follow a lot of the drama. Okay, now, last but not least is by Symbiosis Skincare. And this is the it's a blemish treatment serum. There's the packaging, and it's got salicylic, that's the word, salicylic acid and zinc, zinc-a-done, I think that's the word. It fights acne and blemishes, dissolves dead skin cells, clears out pores. It regulates excess sebum production. So, okay. This is another item I did choose just to give it a try, see how I like it, let you guys know. This baby Flippin retails, and look at how small this is, right? I mean, even next to the primer, look, I know, right? This little container retails for $102. Yeah, I don't think so. Anyway, okay, so that's everything I got in my first of 2 June 2021. What is the total value of my bag? Well, it's $224. So for a $25 bag, it's a great deal. Do I think this price, even the brushes for $60, it's a little inflated? Or maybe a lot inflated. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments. The total percentage of savings, if you were to buy the products retail compared to getting them in this $25 bag, the total savings is 89%. Almost 90% off. Now, again, are the prices a little fluffed? Yeah, probably. But it's still a really great deal. And I will use most of the items in this bag. Let me know what you guys think. Do you get Ipsy Plus? Did you get any of the same items as me? Are you box twins or bag twins? Put it down in the comments. Let me know. Well, thank you as always for coming to hang out with me for just a little bit during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. And if you have not done so already, I would appreciate it so much if you would smash that subscribe button. It does help my channel out a lot. And it also gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this, along with the other added things I've started doing on my channel, like spoilers, deals, discounts, mystery boxes, and of course giveaways. So yeah, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys as always. Love you bunches. Mwah. I will talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.